gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the atomic analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD. We're still at oversold levels with the RSI. We have broken below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our resistance at a price of $1,898. As with the 4 hour chart, we have dipped into negative MACD territory and we're also at oversold condition with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we still remain in pause MACD, but we're seeing it diverge and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $172.83 and that is this range here. My sell target is at $182.63 and my stop loss is at $169.11. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $184.71. My sell target is at $176.69 and my stop loss is at $188.69. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, gold futures has a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 3.3%, a 15% to climb between 3.3 to 6.6%. To the downside has a 30% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.3%, and a 5% chance to fall between negative 3.3 to negative 6.6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.